Hi, kiddos. It's your friend, Professor Profitt, and we're got a good lesson for you today on the thing that went thump. Ooh, have you ever been in a scary situation and thought you heard noises? Well, today we're going to focus on One Thursday night, Theo Thumb was very sleepy. So Theo took a bath, brushed his teeth, and went to bed early. See? Is that what you do, kiddos? You should, right? You gotta brush your teeth and everything. Teeth. See? T-H? See? Okay? Suddenly, Theo heard a strange sound. Thump, thump, thud. Thump, thump, thud. What could it be? Theo thought of 1,000 scary things. Can you imagine laying in your bed, kiddos, and hearing thump, thump, thud? Thump, thump, thud? What would you think it would be, kiddos? What would you be thinking? Maybe, Theo said, it was a giant sloth with thick fur. And then again, thump, thump, thud. Maybe it was a woolly mammoth with big teeth. Thump, thump, thud. And the woolly mammoth, as he came through the door, said I could squeeze through here if I were thinner. What do you think? You think it's a sloth or a woolly mammoth, kiddos? Maybe it was a monster, Theo thought, with 3 heads, 30 eyes. Thump, thump, thud. 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 It was getting closer, Theo thought. Look, he's in bed. He's scared. I don't blame him, do you kiddos? No. And I even bought a special that knows all about being scared because I brought a little monster to listen today. Yeah. Theo hid beneath the covers. He held his breath. Suddenly the door burst open and thumped, thump, thud, and thumped his sister Ruth. Theo said, Ruth, you scared me to death, said Theo. See, kiddos, why it's important to know those words? See? Theo. Sorry, Theo, said Ruth. Will you help me with my math homework? Okay, said Theo. Theo was thankful the thumping thing was only his sister. Well, I would certainly say so. Wouldn't you, kiddos? I would be thankful. Thankful? Huh? Thankful, can you say that? Sure you can. But he did do one thing, Theo said. Grandpa. But he made Ruth take an oath that she would never ever scare him like that again. Well, good luck with that, but she said, sure, Theo, and he said thanks. Okay, let's have a little time here. The day that comes after Wednesday is what? Thursday, yeah? There is something very pointy. What is something very pointy? How about a tack? You need these to chew food. Teeth? Yeah, good thinking, kiddos. What's the opposite of thin? Thick. See, kiddos? There's so many words. We're going to get to them all. Come on back. We're going to do a review a little bit later in the week. Have fun and be safe. Grandpa Ken loves you, and so does Professor Profitt.